looking. Okay, so nabili ko na mga pressure na agad doon.
Sydney.
Yeah, what in excuse me speaking. How the things are you?
I wanna be with you, and I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you, and I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Me just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind and where would you still?
Okay guys, so nag-rest lang ako dito sa lobby before going back upstairs. I just finished my lunch. It's a heavy sweet lunch. Tapos, bibili dapat ako something sa chemist. Important thing kasi nakalimutan ko. It's already 1:46 so I only have 14 minutes to spare. Ayoko nang maglakad. Gusto ko na lang nang matulog. Pero, ayun, later, maybe, on my way home, doon ko na lang bibilin sa may mall. So, I'm just resting here and then back to work. So, nagta-touch up lang ako before going back. So, ganun ako mag-lipstick. Una, like nude color or brown on the outside and then may super red lipstick. Okay. Oops. Okay, let's go back na inside. Alright, it's already 4:40. Supposed to finish at 5. Pero sakit na ng ulo ko. Super busy kasi today. So, uwi na ako. I cannot anymore. So, I got nga pala itong bago kong bag from yesterday. Diba pumunta kaming mall yesterday ni Bobo. So, I got this bag. Ito yung napili ko and super cheap lang niya. Tapos, ang nakakatuwa dito, last night, sabi ko, ayoko yung masyadong mahabang belt bag. Gusto ko yung parang pa-shoulder bag lang. So, tagang kinuha niya to. You know, tagang, ano tawag dito? Basta, inayos niya. Even this one, kasi ito is nadudulas siya. And for sure, pag tumagal-tagal, mawawala to. So, parang ayun naman na, ready to go na ako. Papaalam lang ako dun sa mga natitira pang office meet. Raj, I'm going. See you tomorrow. So tired. Bye, Kevin. See you tomorrow. Okay, so uwi na tayo. So talaga ng ulo ko. Super duper pagod. So I'm just gonna walk. Siyempre, pa-train, and then to the station where Bobo usually pick me up. Ayan, medyo maaga pa naman for now. Ewan ko, super pagod talaga ako. Okay, anyways guys, see you when I see you.
Boy from south, the sun working, walking, and I can't
So, while waiting for Bubo, medyo napaaga kasi yung dating ko dito. So, may bibili lang ako importanteng bagay-bagay. And then, ano ba yan? Para naman, umahangin talaga sa labas. So, ayan. Bubuli. Bibili lang ako ng something while waiting for him. May shop kasi pagbaba mo ng station, karamihan dito is may mga shopping store na sa tabi ng station. So, yun nga, tumawid lang ako and then yun na, shop na siya. Like, food court, restos, and grocery store. So, I'll just buy this one and then I'll wait for him. Pero hindi na sa labas kasi super hangin, napakalamig. Okay, so nabili ko na mga paraphernalia doon. Wait. Nasa convenience store ako ngayon. Daming tao lang meron. Monday. Wala akong nabili. Parang meron na naman lahat sa bahay. Kakabili ko lang ng pancit canton. Yung bulldog meron pa din sa bahay. It's already 5:27. And parang grabe, feeling ko sa buong video na to, mukha akong sinabunutan. Sobrang lakas ng hangin sa labas. Anyways, it's already 5:27. Should be here around 5:40. Pero parang ayoko kasi talagang maghintay sa labas. Super lax ng... Oh, shit. Wait, we need to go to... Mag-toilet pa tayo. Next time na. Ayun. Hintayin ko na siguro siya sa labas. Sana hindi nagkakahangin. If no, then siguro maghintay na lang ako sa may coffee shop. Malapit dun sa pinag-pick up niya sa still the door? Okay, so we're back in chemist. I'm just looking for nails. I'm just looking for nails. Where are they open? How much? Working chemist, and I'm buying nails again.
I have this one now. What happened to the one you got in here?
This one? This the red? The one that's from Kmart. We don't have dark. We have this though. Okay guys, nasa ano na kami. Nag-shopping na kami, hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina. Ano ba? Ayan din, champagne. Ano din, champagne to. Ayan si champagne to. Hindi mo ba? Pero sikat yan.
There was no money.